Kingdom, you just start make money. You can't style me. And we charge more money than you to play on the dance. That's the promoter. You come and walk up here and make a normal money like you can style me. People who don't count. Who don't count. How much this? Money. Don't make me this, you move your pussy. Stop that. Evan, no respect you. How can you do this? Thank you, God, I mentioned themselves.